Hello viewers, International Olympiad Mathematics competition. This is an Olympiad math problem. We will solve this problem and find out the value of x. Let's go. This is two terms and this is minus terms, and we'll these terms on the right side. 3 sign changes minus transfer to plus. Then we will square on the both sides for removing these root terms. We will square. Square terms, and if we broken this cancel this root terms, it find out 11 minus x. And this is the formula a and b, a plus b formula, a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2 a b, a square plus 2ab plus b square. B square means x plus 6 whole square. Then 11x, 3 square means 9, and this is the 6x plus 6, and this is x plus 6 because root and square cancel root. Then into my right the next line, 11x minus 9 because here is plus, and this terms minus x minus 6, and here 6x plus 6, and we'll count these terms. If we add minus x and minus x, it means minus 2x, and this is 11 plus 11, 6 and 9, it means 15. 6 root over x plus 6, and we may write here minus 2x, here 4 and 6. We may common the 2 on the both side, minus 2. If we common this minus 2, x plus 2, we may write x plus 2. Then we may cancel 3. And here x plus 2, 3 x plus 6, and there are here is a square root terms, and if we want to remove this root, we have to again square on the both sides. Then we square. On the both side square. Then it may write x plus 2 whole square, 9x plus 6, because root and a square it cancel, we cancel. Then we then we'll trans this a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. May write x square plus 2ab means 4x and 4, and 9 we multiply these terms, 9x and 54. Then these terms will come to right side, x 4x 4 9x 54 equal 0. Then we will count these terms. It makes x square minus 5x and minus 50. Well, this is the middle terms equation, and we'll term this 5x and x square 10x. If we middle term these terms, it may write this, because if we multiply minus 10 and 5, it makes minus 50, and if we subtract or addition, it makes minus 5, and then we'll common this x, then x 10, and we'll common this 5, x 10 or 0. Then the next time we will write x minus 10 and x minus 10 common, x minus 10 and x plus 5, x plus 5 equal 0. Then write x minus 10 equal 0, x equal 10, or x plus 5 equal 0, x equal minus 5. That means x equal 10 or minus 5. This is the result.